The Hyundai Tucson key fob for 2016-2021 models uses a CR2032 battery. When your remote stops working consistently, it's likely time for a replacement. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to replace the battery. First, locate the small slot on the edge of the fob. Insert the tool into the slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Take note of how the old battery is positioned before removing it. The positive side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, ensuring it's seated correctly. Snap the two halves of the fob back together. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons to confirm the signals. This entire process should take only 5 to 10 minutes. Always work in a dry environment to prevent static discharge. Properly dispose of the old battery since it contains lithium and should be recycled. If the fob still doesn't work after replacement, it might indicate a deeper issue requiring professional reprogramming at a Hyundai dealer. Consider that extreme temperatures and overuse can shorten battery life. Current trends include pairing fobs with aftermarket apps for remote diagnostics and the increasing use of eco-friendly batteries. Future models are expected to phase out replaceable batteries, adopting wireless charging or app-based keyless entry, making manual battery swaps obsolete. Remember, DIY replacement saves $100 versus dealer service.